Ever dreamed of turning your boring bathroom into a luxurious wet room? It's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, we strip everything out: tiles, tub, sink, you name it. A clean slate is key. Next, the most crucial step, the floor. We need to create a gentle slope towards the drain, so we'll level it perfectly. Then, we install a sleek linear drain for that modern look. Now for the magic trick. Tanking. This is where we apply a waterproof membrane to the walls and floor, creating a completely sealed, watertight shell. No leaks allowed. With the waterproofing done, it's time for the fun part. We'll lay down some beautiful non-slip tiles. Finally, we install a rainfall shower, a floating vanity, and add some stylish finishing touches. And there you have it, a stunning, seamless, and super accessible wet room retreat. Ready to transform your space? Like and subscribe for more home renovation tips.